Hi everyone, it's Evie. I am going to do another dirty pour flip cup, but this time with 2 cups. So let's get started. I'm using gold, not a lot of gold paint, yellow orange, yellow green, and violet. And each of these, it's Artist Loft paint with some Floetrol, some water, and a few drops of silicone. Each cup has maybe 2 to 3 drops of silicone. So let's go ahead and fill those 2 cups. There we go. Here are my 2 cups. So let's start with a tiny bit of gold. I like gold a lot, although in the paintings that I've done so far, it hasn't seemed to show up, but maybe when they dry, they'll show up. So let's do some yellow orange. A little bit of yellow orange. Okay. I especially like to layer gold in between my colors. Let's put in some more gold. Put in some yellow green. Okay. Let's put in a tiny bit of gold. I've run out of gold. And then we'll put the violet in there. I don't need to fill the cup all the way because I need 2 cups. Okay. Let's put this aside. I'm gonna start off with some paint on the canvas. It just makes the pour easier to deal with. I'm using some yellow orange, which looks really orange. Okay, so now let us flip it. So we'll start with this, and then I'm going to put this one over the cups. Okay, and then flip the cups. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to do this. 1, to flip. Okay. Yay. Okay, I'm going to move them away from the center a little, and then do the flip cup. Oh, I'm getting nice cells. Okay. You know what? Before I tilt it, let's try. I don't have a torch, but I do have a blow dryer, weird looking blow dryer. So let's try to get some cells. Okay. Looks like we've got some cells. We've got a lot of paint on this. So let's try to move things around. I think my paint is a little on the liquidy side. Move the paint around, move the paint around. Okay, that looks good. Let's move it closer here. Okay, it looks good. Let's do a little more. Let's see if we can get some more cells. Okay, and I'm going to add the rest of my gold to it. See if that does anything. And my gold's not coming out. A lot of gold. Okay, a few drops going in there. Here and there. Oh, there's some bare. There we go, I covered it up. Some bare canvas popping up here and there. Get all the gold in there. Okay. That is my result. Dirty 2-cup pour, flip cup, 2 flip cups. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to continue doing these videos because I love the results. Please suggest any colors that you would like to see me use, and have a good day. Thank you for watching.